Srila Prabhupada had a very clear vision of what's going on in the world. He could really get to the depths of everything. And he perceived that Darwinism or neo-Darwinistic evolutionary theory is a major substratum of the whole edifice of atheism, materialism, humanism, heathenism, that is the cause of the world's being just what a big mess it is at the present time. People are far, far away from any clear idea of God consciousness because they think that we're just biological constructs brought about by some kind of chance. So Srila Prabhupada had this very clear vision. Darwinism must be defeated. If we are to establish Krishna consciousness as a science, not just some sentimental religion, Darwinism must be defeated. This is a major mandate that Srila Prabhupada gave to his disciples. Unfortunately, not much has been done by his disciples since Srila Prabhupada left, but this book by Lalitanath Prabhu is a major step forward for the whole Krishna consciousness movement and gives a step into this whole big debate that's going on all over the world from a scientific angle, and ultimately at the end of the book, Lalitanath Prabhu presents Krishna consciousness as a proper scientific understanding. It's an easy to understand language. At the same time, it is very scientific. It features many prominent scientists. Lalitanath Prabhu himself has done his homework very well. This book should be in the vanguard of our preaching so that people can understand that Krishna consciousness has got a serious message to as an alternative to the gross materialism, which is not only the manifest in the world we see today, but it's based on this wrong idea of Darwinistic evolution, and then to buttress that up you have Big Bang and all kinds of theories which are actually absurd. So this book should be read by all devotees who consider themselves to be preachers. Many people won't even listen to us because they think that we're just a bunch of sentimentalists. We do have science, even in terms that they can accept. And it should be widely distributed, especially among students. With his keen transcendental vision, Srila Prabhupada understood and informed us that Darwinism or neo-Darwinistic evolutionary theory is a major philosophical substrate of the whole materialistic, humanistic, atheistic, hedonistic edifice, which is the mess that we call the world today. Srila Prabhupada was very keen to defeat. He said we must defeat Darwinism. It's a order given to his disciples, because without this we can't establish Krishna consciousness on a philosophical basis. If people think that, well, we're just a bunch of biological machines, biochemicals. Unfortunately, we as a movement have not taken up this mandate very seriously, but Lalitanath Prabhu has done a great service by compiling this book, which is very scientific. It features some of the cutting-edge scientists in the field of intelligent design. And at the same time, it's easy to read by anyone who's fairly well educated. It should be taken serious. This book should be taken very seriously by all of those who consider themselves preachers in this movement. People won't be able to take Krishna consciousness as the absolute truth as long as they're convinced by all these wrong ideas. This is a bomb to destroy all these wrong ideas. So all the preachers should read this. All the leaders should read this And it should be widely distributed, especially to students and professors and intellectuals of all stripes.